Hi guys! So today I'm here with a new makeup tutorial. On my Instagram I had a poll on which I asked if you guys wanted a blue summer shadow makeup look or some other color, and I got like a 50-50 response. So I decided to do the blue color first and then I'll do the other color because I didn't decide what other color to do. But I think I'll do green because I don't know, summer somehow reminds me of blue, green. But let me know in the comment section below if there's any other colors you prefer me to do. I think I've already done a pink for Valentine's Day, but any color that you guys like. You want me to do a golden based, any color, just let me know in the comment section below. I'll do that instead of green, but if there's no other color, you guys, this here is coming out of my way. So is there any other color you want, let me know. And also, before we get started with the video, I ran out of ideas and I want to know what kind of videos you guys would like to see, what kind of content should I offer you guys. So please let me know in the comment section below so I can be more active and have more videos for you guys. The reason these videos, especially this one, is after so long is because I had my AS exams and there was a lot going on, so I really could not find the motivation and the mindset to do it, because I wanted to be like, I wanted to enjoy while doing it and I wanted to concentrate on the video while doing it instead of being distracted by something else. So I'm sorry for not uploading for so long, and yeah, so just let me know what you guys would like to see. I would like to do the kind of content you guys would like. And also, I really like talking about some matters, like, you know, have like a talk on talk thing going on. We can talk about different things, about different issues. So let me know if you guys are interested in that too, because whenever I think of here's the thing, I always think of making YouTube videos. It's not like I don't enjoy my channel. I'm always literally, whatever I'm doing, I'm thinking as if I'm making a YouTube video. But the thing is, I just couldn't find time, and when I'm doing it, I'm always talking about something important, some important things that are important, should be discussed more. So I might do that kind of videos soon, but not now, not today. So this intro is a bit too long now, so just let's get started with the video. Summer eye makeup look, here we go.